Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use electric oxygen. First, familiarize yourself with your specific device model and its parts, like the power cord, humidifier bottle, and oxygen tubing. Next, find a safe, well-ventilated area for operation, ensuring the unit is at least 6 inches from walls. Plug the device into a grounded electrical outlet, avoiding extension cords if possible. Finally, attach your prescribed oxygen delivery method, such as a nasal cannula or mask, to the oxygen outlet port. Once your device is powered on, if your unit uses a humidifier, fill it with distilled water up to the indicated fill line. This helps prevent dryness in your nasal passages. Now, carefully adjust the flow rate dial to the exact liters per minute prescribed by your healthcare provider. It's crucial to never change this setting without medical guidance. Always ensure the oxygen tubing is free of twists or kinks to maintain an uninterrupted flow of oxygen. Safety is paramount when using electric oxygen. Always keep your device at least 10 feet away from any open flames, sparks, or heat sources, including gas stoves and lit cigarettes. Clean your nasal cannula or mask daily using mild soap and water, then air dry it completely. Additionally, inspect and clean the air intake filters weekly, or more often if you live in a dusty environment, to ensure optimal performance and air quality. For continuous oxygen therapy, it's wise to have a backup plan, such as a portable oxygen tank or a battery backup for power outages. If your device makes unusual noises, displays error codes, or alarms, contact your equipment provider or doctor immediately. Do not attempt repairs yourself. Remember to check the description for a link to a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other helpful deals. Consistent use, as prescribed, is key to managing your condition effectively.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.